In the ever-increasing industrialized world we have come to accept in modern times, we have begun to find that instead of incorporating nature and the environment into our chaotic lives and innovations, we have been replacing it. We are trading trees for smokestacks and fresh air for pollution. And this is why I believe it is necessary to express my concern through the design of a 3D model. To summarize the research previously conducted in Assignment 1, I concluded that the ever-increasing rate of industrialization is causing us as humans to value and appreciate these material outputs rather than the subsequently suffering environmental aspects. This is why an industrialized version of a magnificent natural creature will allow the audience to attach themselves to the cause. This is done to represent the replacement of natural for industrial, flesh and bone for metal, and living creatures for machines. It is a really aggressive tradition we as a pack of humans have been practicing the previous few decades, and is why a wolf would be the perfect specimen for the design. Their aggressive nature represents the aggressiveness we as humans are towards industrialization. Wolves are also commonly associated with the living in pristine woodlands with great big snow-capped mountains and fresh, clean running water streams, which directly juxtapose the issue of our pollution. In contrary, the sleek stature of a wolf when it is in stalk is reminiscent of that of the sleekness and sheer efficiency of industrial production lines, producing single-use, throwaway products. I envision the various stages of the design to display the same gritty tone of the ideology I am trying to convey. I hope to produce a poster of this concept, with very monochromatic tones to really emphasize the industrial and dirty feel of the problem. Doing it in a low poly style will also help juxtapose the wolf to the environment as the sharp lines oppose the organic shapes of the environment. The virtual Maya model, the 3D animated turnaround, and the game engine rendered model will take a turn from the poster and rather display the cold metallic colours of the object opposed with a lush green background to further emphasize the issue of industrialization taking over nature. Finally, we have the 3D printed model. Being the only variation that can be tangible in real life means different considerations must be taken into effect. This will affect my design process mainly due to the fact that gravity is now a constant I need to keep in mind. This is basically saying that I need to focus more on the structure and how the model will support itself. I also need to consider printing limitations and any requirements that are upheld by the printing company. My goal for the 3D printed model is to demonstrate the industrial takeover of natural elements in a philosophical way. It is up to the audience to make the connection when provided with the information that the visual aspects of the wolf provide. In addition to the effect of gravity on the printed model, other potential consequences include how the intricate detail and large spaces in between different elements will create fragile areas. With this consequence, means the model will only be able to be interacted with in a non-tangible way. This is just a brief description of the assessment tasks that I will need to complete over the next couple of weeks. With any luck, together, hopefully they complete the task at hand.